1. 1969 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $28,500, located, Kalamazoo, Michigan. This 1969 Chevrolet Malibu is a serious street and strip machine built for performance enthusiasts who appreciate classic muscle car styling combined with proven drag racing capability. Finished in blue and showing approximately 1,000 miles on its current setup, this Malibu has been developed with competition in mind while still retaining the iconic appearance that makes late 60s Chevrolet muscle cars so desirable. Under the hood is a powerful 408 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a Powerglide transmission and an 8-inch racing converter. Power is transferred through a durable Dana rear axle equipped with aggressive 4.88 gears, helping the car launch hard and perform exceptionally well on the drag strip. The vehicle rides on massive rear tires that provide excellent traction and an unmistakable race-ready stance. Additional features include a fiberglass hood and deck lid, MSD ignition components, trans brake system, air shifter, race electronics, and lightweight interior modifications. The car is currently receiving interior updates and remains an impressive high-performance build. This Malibu offers outstanding acceleration, classic muscle car appeal, and the potential for both street enjoyment and competitive racing action. 2. 1986 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe. Price, $18,000, located, Old Hickory, Tennessee. This 1986 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe is a powerful street and strip project that has already received substantial upgrades and performance enhancements. Finished in gray, this Thunderbird combines the sleek aerodynamic styling of the Fox platform era with serious big block Ford power. Designed to be equally at home on the street and at the drag strip, the vehicle offers an excellent opportunity for an enthusiast looking to complete a high-performance build. Power comes from a Ford 460 cubic inch big block engine featuring a scat rotating assembly, lowered compression ratio, and a massive 871 supercharger. Fuel is delivered through a high-performance 1150 carburetor, creating an impressive combination capable of producing substantial horsepower. The drivetrain has been assembled with performance and durability in mind, making it suitable for aggressive street driving and track use. Although the vehicle remains a project, much of the difficult work has already been completed. The engine and transmission are reported to be in good condition, and most of the necessary components are included. This Thunderbird represents a unique performance build with tremendous potential and unmistakable street presence. 3. 1960 Ford Ranchero. Price, $8,000, located, Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1960 Ford Ranchero is a solid and increasingly collectible classic utility vehicle that blends the practicality of a pickup with the comfort and styling of a passenger car. Finished in yellow with a black interior, this Ranchero captures the unique character that made these early Ford car-based trucks so popular among enthusiasts. Its classic lines and vintage appearance make it an attractive candidate for restoration, cruising, or continued enjoyment as a driver-quality classic. Power comes from a desirable 289 high-performance Ford V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The drivetrain provides strong performance and the unmistakable sound associated with classic Ford small block power. The vehicle runs and drives, offering an excellent foundation for future improvements while remaining enjoyable in its current condition. The body is reported to be very solid for its age and includes a clear title. Mechanical attention is needed to address the braking system, which currently has a soft pedal feel and should be serviced before regular road use. This Ranchero presents an affordable opportunity to own a distinctive and historically significant Ford classic. 4. 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price, $16,000, located, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air is a custom cruiser that combines iconic late 50s styling with modern drivetrain technology and contemporary suspension upgrades. Finished in burgundy with a matching interior, this Bel Air delivers a unique blend of classic appearance and updated performance. Rather than being a factory-correct restoration, the vehicle was built to be driven, enjoyed, and appreciated for its individuality. Power comes from a Chevrolet LS 4.8-liter engine paired with a 4L60 automatic transmission. This modern drivetrain combination offers improved reliability, easy parts availability, and excellent drivability compared to many traditional vintage setups. Numerous recent upgrades include a new water pump, thermostat, alternator, tensioner pulley, and fuel system components. The vehicle is equipped with a full air ride suspension system, relocated front shocks, upgraded brakes, custom audio equipment, and stylish 14-inch Supreme wheels. The battery has been relocated to the trunk, and the car features a full exhaust system with distinctive Bellflower-style tips. This Bel Air offers classic Chevrolet styling, modern performance, and a custom personality that stands out wherever it travels. 5. 1989 Ford Mustang Convertible Roller. Price, $6,000, located, Chicago, Illinois. This 1989 Ford Mustang Convertible Roller is an excellent foundation for a custom street or drag racing build. Finished in black with a fully restored black interior, this Fox Body Mustang previously housed a supercharged 331 cubic inch small block Ford combination and now awaits a new drivetrain. The vehicle remains highly desirable thanks to its extensive chassis upgrades, quality suspension components, and overall condition. The front suspension features tubular control arms, coilover struts, and reinforced frame connectors that improve handling and structural rigidity. Out back, the vehicle is equipped with a strengthened Ford 8.8 rear axle featuring welded axle tubes, Moser axles, upgraded differential cover, and new rear disc brakes. The setup is designed to handle substantial horsepower while maintaining reliability. Inside, the Mustang features matching front and rear seats, odometer gauges, a custom switch panel, a bolt-in roll cage, Sony audio equipment, and retained 5-speed pedal assemblies. New rear tires mounted on pony R wheels complete the package. This Mustang Roller offers a strong platform for enthusiasts seeking a versatile Fox body project with significant performance potential. 6. 1973 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $7,000, located, Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova is an affordable entry into the world of classic American muscle cars and custom performance builds. Known for its lightweight design, straightforward mechanics, and strong aftermarket support, the Nova has remained a favorite among enthusiasts for decades. This example presents an excellent opportunity for someone looking to own a classic Chevrolet that can be enjoyed immediately or further developed into a personalized street machine. The 1973 model year retained the aggressive styling and compact dimensions that made the Nova popular among performance enthusiasts. Its versatile platform has long been respected for accommodating a wide variety of engine combinations, suspension upgrades, and custom modifications. Whether used as a weekend cruiser, restoration project, or future drag racing build, the Nova provides an excellent foundation. The vehicle is reported to be in good condition and offers classic Chevrolet character at an accessible price point. With its timeless muscle car appearance and strong enthusiast following, this Nova represents a practical opportunity to own a recognizable and collectible American classic that continues to attract attention at local automotive events. 7. 1971 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $30,000, located, Fairfield, Connecticut. This 1971 Chevrolet Vega is a highly modified performance machine that combines lightweight construction with impressive V8 power. Finished in excellent condition, this custom Vega has been transformed far beyond its original factory specifications, creating a unique street and strip vehicle capable of delivering exceptional performance while maintaining a surprisingly comfortable driving experience. Power comes from a strong 383 cubic inch stroker engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This proven combination delivers substantial horsepower and strong acceleration while maintaining dependable operation. The drivetrain is complemented by a newly installed rear axle equipped with 3.73 gears, providing an excellent balance between street drivability and performance-oriented gearing. One of the most appealing features of this Vega is its air conditioning system, a rare and desirable addition on many high-performance builds. The vehicle is reported to run cool and operate exceptionally well, making it suitable for both cruising and spirited driving. Combining lightweight design, upgraded mechanical components, and impressive presentation, this Vega offers a unique blend of performance, comfort, and classic Chevrolet appeal. 8. 1964 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $27,000, located, Arcade, New York. This 1964 Chevrolet Nova is a serious high-performance drag racing machine built around a powerful big-block Chevrolet combination and modern forced induction technology. Finished in black and showing very limited mileage on its current setup, this Nova has been developed specifically for enthusiasts seeking exceptional straight-line performance and aggressive acceleration. At the heart of the build is a massive 540 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. The drivetrain has recently been refreshed and includes a new converter for improved performance and reliability. A gear-driven F3R Procharger supplies substantial boost, transforming the engine into a formidable power plant capable of delivering outstanding horsepower. The vehicle is equipped with a certified racing chassis, although certification has expired and may require renewal depending on intended use. The combination of large displacement, forced induction, and proven racing components creates an impressive package designed for competition and high-performance driving. This Nova offers serious performance potential for enthusiasts seeking a purpose-built race car with classic Chevrolet styling and substantial horsepower capability. 9. 1993 Ford Mustang Hatchback Roller. Price, $13,500, located, Laytonsville, Maryland. This 1993 Ford Mustang Hatchback Roller is a professionally prepared Fox body race car featuring an impressive collection of premium components and competition-ready upgrades. Built around an all-steel body with factory glass and a clean title, this Mustang offers an outstanding platform for racers looking to install their preferred drivetrain combination while benefiting from a chassis already equipped with high-end hardware. The vehicle features a certified 25.5 mild steel roll cage, lightweight cowl hood, Outlaw front bumper, Outlaw rear wing, and a Stroud parachute. Suspension upgrades include Marty Marillet control arms, Strange double adjustable shocks and struts, tubular K-member, Team Z suspension components, and a Wolf Racecraft anti-roll bar system. Braking duties are handled by Strange and Willwood performance components. The rear of the vehicle utilizes a Strange 9-inch rear axle with 40-spline axles and a reinforced center section designed for extreme horsepower applications. Additional equipment includes Racepack digital instrumentation, Big Stuff Gen 3 engine management with traction control, Kirky racing seat, and professional wiring. This Mustang is an exceptional race-ready platform built with quality components throughout. 10. 1980 Dodge Mirada. Price, $13,500, located, Williamstown, New Jersey. This 1980 Dodge Mirada is a purpose-built drag racing machine that combines Mopar performance heritage with proven competition components. Built for consistency and reliability, this Mirada has been carefully assembled to compete in a variety of racing classes while maintaining low maintenance requirements. Its straightforward design and dependable mechanical package make it an attractive choice for racers seeking a capable and competitive bracket car. Power comes from a strong 440 cubic inch Chrysler engine featuring a roller camshaft, Parlin Sharp roller rocker arms, and a Milodon external oil pickup system. Ignition duties are handled by an MSD7AL system, providing reliable spark delivery under demanding racing conditions. The engine is paired with a 727 automatic transmission equipped with a Griner Trans brake and a recently installed ATI Tree Master converter for improved launch performance. Additional features include a Dana rear axle, ladder bar suspension, and a lightweight super stock style hood. The vehicle is known for consistency at the track and is suitable for box, no box, or index racing. This Dodge offers proven performance and dependable operation in a well-prepared racing package. 11. 1968 Plymouth Barracuda. Price, $25,000, located, Rockford, Michigan. This 1968 Plymouth Barracuda is a serious street and strip machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate classic Mopar styling combined with modern racing performance. Featuring a clean title and substantial mechanical upgrades, this Barracuda has been developed as a street-driven big-tire track car capable of delivering impressive acceleration while retaining road-going functionality. Its aggressive stance and competition-oriented setup make it a standout vehicle both on the street and at the drag strip. Power comes from a 451 cubic inch stroker engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission featuring a full manual valve body. The drivetrain has been engineered for performance and durability, allowing the car to handle significant power while remaining dependable. The chassis has been tubbed to accommodate larger rear tires and includes a full roll cage for safety and structural reinforcement. Additional performance upgrades include a 4-link rear suspension, Willwood disc brakes, narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle, Strange axles, and 3.80 gearing. Combining classic Barracuda styling with proven racing hardware, this Plymouth offers outstanding performance potential and unmistakable Mopar character. 12. 1975 Plymouth Scamp. Price, $20,000, located, Rockford, Illinois. This 1975 Plymouth Scamp is an advanced turbocharged performance project that has already received extensive fabrication and high-quality racing components. Built with drag racing in mind, the vehicle is reported to be approximately 90% complete and offers an exceptional opportunity for an enthusiast seeking a nearly finished high-horsepower project. The orange exterior and black interior complement the aggressive nature of this purpose-built machine. The power plant is based around a 5.3-liter engine equipped with upgraded rods and pistons, a Holley high ram intake system, carbon fiber throttle body lid, and a large turbocharger combination. Supporting equipment includes dual wastegates, Holley Terminator engine management, Bosch injectors, and a Racepak digital dash. A built turbo 400 transmission with ProBrake is included to handle substantial power levels. The chassis features a mild steel roll cage, Dana 60 rear axle with 35 spline axles, Wilwood rear brakes, ladder bar suspension, and extensive cooling system components. With most major parts already installed or included, this Scamp represents an outstanding opportunity to complete a highly capable turbocharged Mopar race car.